Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Charmeleon versus Ivysaur surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Charmeleon versus Ivysaur surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. So it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'll give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Charmeleon, and let's start at the eye right here. So I want to make like a check mark shape. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and then I'm going to bring this back here. Next, I'm going to make this line come down, and then we're going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to curve this up where the pupil is going to be. And then I'm going to make another line here for the other part of the eye. I'm going to draw a little curve shape here, and then we can color the rest of this in, leaving that little part white. Next, right here, we're going to bring this line that's going to come up and then down for the eyebrow. Then right here, we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it all the way to the top up here. We're going to bring this line down and then back here. And then we're going to curve this line down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then down for the nose. And then I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve it around for the nostril. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and then up here for the jaw. Then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and I'm going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and curve it out. I'm going to do a little curve for the stomach. For the arm, we're going to curve this line down and bring it out. And then same thing here, kind of curve this down and in, and then bring it out. Then we'll add a little curve here. Now, our next step is to make Ivysaur over here. So I'm going to begin with the eye, so I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come down. I'm going to bring this back here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line back to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that curves down. And then I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving a little bit white. Next, I'm going to do a little dot for the nose. And then a little line right here for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Then we want to make like a triangle shape inside of here for the inside of the ear. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and come up to here. And then I'm going to just draw a line that's going to come down here. And then we're going to curve a line down. And then we're going to curve another line over here. Then Then we're going to make this line come down and over. And then right here, I'm going to make a little triangle shape and then another little shape right here for some of his spots. Then I'm going to make a little triangle shape right here. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line there for a leaf. And then a little line is going to come up with some zigzags for the plant, or like the little seed pod with a line down. Then I'm going to make a couple little kind of zigzag points for the other leaf. We'll do a line here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our picture. We have Charmeleon and Ivysaur. Let's start with Charmeleon over here. So I'm going to begin by bringing this line down. Then I'm going to come up. We'll make it a little wavy and bring it to here. And then this line, we're going to bring this up, and we're going to bring it over to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and connect. And then we're going to bring this line down to connect. Next, we're going to make a little tooth here and a little tooth right here. And then we want to make some fire coming out of here. So I'm going to begin by just making some kind of like zigzag pointed lines like this. And then we'll do the same thing here, some kind of like wiggly fire looking lines. Then I'm going to make some little flames right there to connect. Now I want to draw the other side of the mouth. So I'm just going to make a line that comes down, and we're going to go right to here. And then we're going to make the tongue. Let's just kind of curve a line that's going to come down and up and then back. Then we can make another line that comes here and another one here. Now over here, let's work on Ivysaur. So I'm going to begin right here by bringing this line down, and then we're going to come up here. Then we're going to bring this line over. Then we're going to bring this line up and over to here. We're going to connect this here. And then we're going to bring this line down to here. Next, I'm going to make a sharp pointy tooth back here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down and then up here for the tongue. Then I'm going to draw a line down here and a line down here. And then I'm going to make some of his vines out here. So I'm going to make a wavy line that's going to curve around here. And then we're going to make another wavy line that's going to come up here. We'll draw another one here. And that same curved line here. And then we're going to make just some of these kind of curvy leaf shapes on here, just to make it look like there's another attack going on. So we're just going to put these kind of little leaves all over here, like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of Charmeleon versus Ivysaur. So when we have it all folded up, I've got the two Pokemon getting ready to battle, and then when you open it, they are using their Flame and Razor Leaf and Vine attacks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.